Hi, my name is Paul Knoll. I'm the president of MCL, and this is...
I'm Megan Bies. I'm the marketing coordinator at MCL.
We've been using these segments in the past to discuss issues or challenges in the market that many of us face, and potentially some solutions for you to consider as you tackle those issues. So today we want to talk about quick turn time requirements, specifically on small to medium-sized wiring harnesses. So whether you've got an issue with your inventory count being off when it comes to the end of the month, or a need for a prototype that you only have a few days, or even a last-minute change, we want to discuss some opportunities to get after that. We thought the best way to do that would be to do some Q&A. So Megan's going to do the Q, and I'm going to attempt to do the A.
All right, so let's start off with the easy question first. What is the quick turn process?
So quick turn is really, again, it's designed to be fast. So we have a target time of 72 hours where from the time our customers would give us a print, we can turn that into a complete harness. Typically, again, it's wiring harnesses that are small to medium. We also offer another version of it, which is a guaranteed capacity. And that is much more of a guarantee of the 72 hours because we've got capacity already set aside for that customer's needs.
Great. Is there a certain team that handles the quick turn process?
Yeah, we've actually had a number of folks that have been working on this process for a number of years, and they're excellent at taking customers' prints, making sure they have just the critical answer so they can build the product according to their needs. They're outstanding, they're very fast, their quality is impeccable.
Okay. So what kind of products can be sent through the quick turn process?
Generally what we see going through there, at least so far, has been small to medium-sized harnesses that have relatively standard components on them. So components that we would have in stock or could get within a day through a UPS Rev program. We can do box builds as long as the components are, again, off the shelf. Custom components that would require, obviously, customization are something that we can't move that quickly. We certainly do those, but not that quickly.
Okay. And you mentioned several times it's fast, 72 hours. If we can do it in that time, are there quality processes built into it as well?
Yes, you bet. We use slightly different quality processes because of the speed of this, but we have a series of quality checks, point-to-point testing, print validation. This type of work is done just as our normal part of the quick turn process. And I had the opportunity earlier this week actually to be talking to a customer who's used this process for a while, and they shared with us that their measure of our quality was 0 ppm. So for non-quality geeks out there, 0 ppm is outstanding. It means there's 0 parts per million that failed. So that is what we aim for, and we've been achieving that.
Awesome. So quality is great, fast is good. How much is it going to cost someone to get something through the quick turn process?
Okay, great question. We run this as a time and materials model. So to save the inefficiency and time of quoting a job, we run it as efficiently as we can and bill out accordingly. So we'll bill the parts out, and then we bill the labor out at $100 an hour. So we, again, find that the time we save in this process allows us to put together a good competitive price, especially given the time we turn and the low quantity.
Great. So if you're interested in learning more, definitely reach out or comment on this video and we will get in touch with you.
Thanks a lot.